Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 5950. It ran from 2017 to the current shape. It has a CHZL 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CH 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.